Hello world, hi, this is Rains and you are watching Perfume Girl Renu. I know the video is after a delay, but I was not keeping well. That's why there was a gap in videos. But now I'm all fine and I am going to talk about a perfume from my collection, as I was getting DMs on Instagram like to show my perfume collection. So I will show one by one, but after the YouTube family gets bigger, it extends, I will show all of my collection. So too much of talking for now, let's get started. So this is what I am talking about. This is one among my collection, Versace Dylan Blue Parfum. This is how the bottle looks like. This looks like a royal antique piece, right, with magic inside. Okay, so this is how the bottle is. Now talking about the fragrance of this perfume has a very fruity, delicious floral fragrance. The opening of this fragrance is blackcurrant, apple and peach. It is a very fruity fragrance and it is a very playful and a joyful fragrance. It is a very elegant fragrance. When it settles down and then it becomes a floral fragrance. So overall the fragrance is a burst of fruity and floral. Means like the dominant notes, what I felt is like this fragrance is more on the fruity side of fragrance. Okay, so the aroma what you get out of this fragrance is the fruity fragrance of Versace Dylan Blue. Now this really has that shower gel fragrance, no? But this is a very luxurious and a very royal rich fragrance. Now let me explain. Now a 200 rupee shower gel and 10,000 rupee shower gel. You yourself can make out like how the fragrance of that shower gel will be, right? A 200 rupee shower gel will not be like a 10,000 rupee shower gel, right? So this is what I'm trying to say. The fragrance of this perfume is exactly like a shower gel, but a very rich and a luxurious shower gel. The opening is a little synthetic, but doesn't mean like it is an unpleasant synthetic fragrance. No, it is a very pleasant, elegant, a very nice, clean fragrance. It is a summer wear fragrance, but I honestly I wear this throughout the year whenever I feel like. This perfume is a daytime perfume and the projection and the performance is 4 to 5 hours on your skin and nicely around 6 to 7 hours on your clothes. The sillage is also good and it really performs good during the summers. But like I said, you all can wear it anytime. This is a compliment getter perfume. Now why I'm saying compliment getter? Because whenever till date I've worn this perfume, I have received compliments. So this is a compliment getter and this can be a signature perfume. This is a very nice signature perfume. If you all want to make this as your signature perfume, this is a perfect perfume for that. Now who can wear this? Girls below 20 years of age, less than 20 years of age, this is not for y'all. There are many other options, y'all can go for that. Because what this perfume resonates with is, this is a very boss babe, independent, a businesswoman, CEO material fragrance. A daytime perfume which she wears and hits the day, hits her office. This is a very confident lady, a very bossy lady fragrance. This is what I feel as per my experience about this fragrance. So now let's talk about a very important part, a very important discussion about this fragrance. Now like I said, an important discussion about this perfume. This perfume is not a blind buy perfume. Now if you're spending so much, now this perfume costs around 10 to 11,000. Okay, now 10 to 11,000, it is a lot of money. Now if you're taking something for 1,000 rupees, you didn't like it, it is lying in your closet, it is rotting, you don't feel regretted about it. But on the other hand, if you simply blind buy and you buy this 10 to 11,000 perfume and then you don't like it, you will feel disappointed, you will feel disturbed, right? Which should not happen. You must be the one who has to experience the perfume in physical. You have to go and find out for yourself like how the fragrance of this perfume is. Only then spend money, because spending 10 to 11,000 on a perfume is a lot of money. Okay, I use your brains. I see to it like if I means anyone, I suggest like anyone who is purchasing a perfume must go and figure out, must find out like how exactly the fragrance is. This is what I do. If I have to, if I want something, I take time. I take time about that perfume. Like I spray and I figure out like how the fragrance is, and then I decide whether I have to buy it or not. So use your brains, do not blind buy. Simply relying on reviews on YouTube, like okay, this person has told this about the fragrance, that person has given this review about the fragrance, so I must give it a shot. No, don't do like that. Go figure out, find out the fragrance how it is, and then decide whether you want to buy the fragrance or no. So that's all about the review of Versace Dylan Blue Pour Femme. Those who are watching me for the first time, thank you so much for stopping by. I make perfume reviews for men and women. So please do consider liking, sharing and subscribing. And those who have already subscribed my channel, thank you so much. It really means a lot. Thank you for the support. Take care of yourself. Drink lots of water. It is too hot around. Stay hydrated. Okay? And bye.